Hey, future homeowners! So you're thinking about buying your first HDB flat in Singapore but not sure where to start? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today we're breaking down the process into 5 simple steps that'll make your journey to homeownership as smooth as possible. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, eligibility. Make sure you're a Singapore citizen or PR, over 21, and meet the income criteria. Once that's checked off, it's time to get your HDB flat eligibility, HFE letter. This letter is your golden ticket. It confirms you're eligible and shows what CPF grants you can get. Now comes the fun part, choosing between a BTO or resale flat. BTOs are great if you're looking for a lower price, but they come with a longer wait. Resale flats? Instant gratification with more customization options. It's all about what suits your timeline and style. Next, it's time to start viewing potential homes. Do your homework. Check out the area, amenities, and future development plans. Take notes, ask about the flat's condition, and don't forget to consider your current and future needs. Remember, this is a long-term investment. Once you've found the one, it's time to seal the deal. Sign the agreement for lease, make your down payment, and sort out your housing loan. Oh, and don't forget those CPF housing grants. They can really help with the costs. And there you have it, the path to buying your first HDB flat in Singapore, all laid out. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on smart home buying. Good luck with your new home journey, and see you next time.